Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to.
Hey guys, welcome back to the start of a new vlog. So today is Monday and I decided to make it an office day so we can get it over and done with. So if you are new here, and if you are existing, thank you guys so much for tuning in. So yeah, let's start the vlog. It's a work vlog. Okay, we are starting our vlog at work. I am going to the office. Guys, I had a terrible headache the entire weekend. Yo,
Used to call it stable, now I call it stuff. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Always meant to be. Always meant to be. Oh yeah, always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Your heart, keep it in your pocket for safekeeping. Don't ever let nobody be the reason you throw it out. You stop caring about it. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Precious cargo, be careful with my heart, oh. Say I'm not sensitive, but I can sense if it's right for me. Don't let your head get in the way. Can't be defined by your mistakes. You know you try really hard, but sometimes you fall. Yeah, sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Sometimes you fall. Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. Yeah, it's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh, think it's meant to be. Scary at first when you change, but it's better than being stuck here in your ways. Comfortable, ain't that comfortable no more. Don't wanna go back to how it was before. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant to be. Oh. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Thought that this was who I was, that I couldn't change that much. Didn't feel like I was strong, but I'm glad that I was wrong. Think I knew it all along. This would never be enough. Now I see that I've evolved, going after what I want. Maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually it's gonna seem like it was always meant to be. It was always meant.
Hey guys, welcome back to another day on the vlog. So today it's Friday, yay. Saturday, Sunday, what? Today is Friday, so I just thought I should just make food with you. I am so hungry. I just knocked off. The last time I ate, it was around 10. So now I have to eat before 5 because I am trying my fasting windows. So I need to be done eating before 5. So right now I am making mashed potato steak with some biltong sauce. So yeah guys, stay tuned and enjoy. So guys, on a lighter note, please do not forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And guys, please, if you have missed my last video, please go back and watch the video. The views are not viewing. I would definitely appreciate you for doing that and taking your time. So yeah guys, let's get into it.
have to make a wish. Nothing's ever in your way. Scoring every shot you make. No, you've never heard of pain. Because you're just high on life. Every day is Saturday. Life is sweet as birthday cake. Why can't it just stay this way? Like you wanted to. Like you wanted to. Like 24/7. Like 24/20 for heaven. Oh, like you wanted to. Like you wanted to. Like 24/7. Like 24/20 for heaven. Oh, nothing but blue skies. A totally peaceful mind. Never need a second try. No, you get it right the very first time. It could be the best of days. It could be the best of times. Why do we need the troubles? Why do we need the troubles?